Hello YouTube and welcome to Miller's Chronicles. Today will be a review video and I will be reviewing the Revlon hair dryer brush. Here I am just showing the actual brush itself, all the details, the bristles, the handles. As you can see, there's 3 settings: cool, low, and high, and just the overall machine. I paid about $40 for it and I got it from Ultra Beauty. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I am just parting my hair in different sections, twisting it out. Sorry for the fast forwarding. I know that it looks a little choppy. But I put the heat protector on my hair and I start with each section. And I just wanted to do a little slow-mo kind of close-up of how I'm actually using the brush. Start from my ends and I work my way up to detangle it without pulling out my hair as much as possible. I'm just going to speed through this. It's just me repeating the steps throughout my whole head. I decided to slow down a bit just to show you again a little bit more detail of how the brush is, how I'm using the brush, and how each section is coming out. So far, so good. Here I'm just making sure that I get as close to my roots as possible. I plan on straightening it right after this. So now I'm just finishing up, making sure I get my edges well. And this is basically how it turned out. Just making sure I get as much tangles out as possible. So after watching that, I will now give my pros and cons. Pros. I like the brush. It definitely blow dried my hair twice as fast. It definitely got to my roots and I felt as though it was way easier to hold than traditional hair dryers. Cons. I don't like really the bristles with my natural hair texture. My hair is really thick, so when you brush through it, it kind of still really thick. It takes like a couple of goes at it. So it kind of felt like it was ripping out my hair, but it wasn't. I mean, it was in a sense like a brush, like a regular brush would do my hair, this type of brush anyway. But yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I would give it about an 8.5. Like I said, I like the brush and it definitely did what it said it was gonna do. It just was, it didn't feel like that ripping feeling that I was getting. Thanks for watching my review and I hope to see you next time.